trying to figure out if I should put the ribbon on or the rest of the ornaments on. Because I know some people put their ornaments on first and then the ribbon, but I always put the garland on first. But look at how pretty this is. It has some snowflakes on them. Yeah, it's our first year using ribbon. We've been using tinsel garland, this white one. This one's pretty too though, because it's white, but it's better than this one. Last year we had like a blue and silver theme. So yeah, I don't know if I should put this on with the ribbon too.
No.
I kind of want to.
No.
So this is one roll. I don't think it'll be enough, honestly. I always end up buying like not enough of stuff. Hopefully it'll work out. So I just put 3 of the ribbon on, and this is what it looks so far. Now I just need to adjust it. I think it's enough. So this is the best I could do. I might go tomorrow after work to get some more ribbon, just at least 1 or 2, and then 1 more set of lights. Actually, I'll just leave it for now. Next year I'll probably make it better, but it looks good so far. It's pretty simple. And now it's time to organize the ornaments. My sister and I will like color coordinate it first so that not all reds are in the same area. And then we might put some of the blue stuff, just like,
Definitely silver.
yeah, like the silver ones especially. And we have our tree skirt right here. I'm so excited to put the candy canes on. Like, look at that. Cute. Okay, so far there's a lot of red. But we do have some silver ones and some blue ones and green ones, so I think it'll be enough.
They look kind of creepy, but I love it.
With these nutcrackers. So I just put the tree skirt on, and it's so pretty. It's so sparkly. They have like snowflakes on them. I love it. Okay, so these are the ornaments we'll be using this year. So sparkly. Okay, now we're gonna start with... Okay, so here is what the tree looks like right now. So the star is broken. Usually it would light up, but I think it burnt out. There also needs to be more lights here, so. But yeah, this is what we have so far. So I don't know if y'all can see, but there is some snowflakes on the ribbon. I have a candy cane, some bonbons, candies, a nutcracker. We have 3 nutcrackers in this tree, a London bus, and then we have like a bunch of these kind of ornaments that are like clay, like this one here. And then we have the Eiffel Tower. And then we have like these hard, I don't even know what this is made out of, but it's heavy. And we have a Santa ornament that is also heavy because it rings. That was weird. What else do we have? We have a gingerbread cookie. We have some skis. We have a birdhouse. The bird is too scared to come out. We also have a penguin. Another snowman. This time it's just the head. A merry and bright ornament. We have a present. A crystal clear snowflake. I really like the snowflakes a lot. So pretty. Another snowman and another snowflake. A Santa Claus. We also got Big Ben and some heart-shaped candy canes. Oh, and we got a train down here. Reminds me of the Polar Express. We got a snowman, a reindeer, some white trees, a gondola. Even though it's 100 degrees, gotta get out. Ain't no ice and no tea, no snowmen to build. Most of our friends at the beach, but my baby's in town, and we're gonna do some other things. Hey, hey, hey. I wanna pretend we're at the North Pole. This is one of my favorite ornaments because like it lights up. Look at that. And it changes colors too, so that's cool. Right now it's green, blue, purple, blue. Is this blue again? Blue, purple, red. And I really like the snowflakes that I put out. There's these kind of snowflakes, this full one, this glittery silver one, and this clear one. I like this one a lot too. And another one of my favorite is this gondola thing. It's so cool because you can kind of see in it. There's like a floor inside, and the window is like frosted and everything. It has the glitter on top. I really like this one. So yeah, there is our tree. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!
I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.